in the morning, when we saw the video with it, I see, I think, I wonder. Okay, so you'll again watch a video and you'll write down I see, I think, and I wonder.
Pressure to repay over 3 lakh rupees of loans. The 38-year-old farmer had to death early on Sunday.
Loudly to the whole class.
I see the man digging the soil. I think in that place no water so that the plants not grow. I wonder why the soil unfertile.
I see the farmers have lot of problems. The farmers are not earn monies, and I think they are kill themselves, and I wonder why they are killing themselves.
Why they are killing themselves, right? So, can somebody share what is the problem, what is the national challenge that this video is talking about? I see only 5 boys. Great. Gaurav, could you share with the whole class? Yeah.
So the national challenge was we want to stop for farmer to suicide.
So we want to stop farmer suicides. Pushottam wants to add? Yeah, go ahead.
It could be the challenge of financial challenge.
Could be a financial challenge. So before deciding the solution, we need to first understand the problem, right? These are the real data by the government of India. You can understand how many farmers are committing suicide and what is the magnitude of the problem is. So you have 5 minutes to solve this problem, solve these problems, right? Your time starts now. I see people have started making the sense of the graph.
The number of suicides in 2014 is 4,850.
4,850.
Is that correct? Great.
The number of suicides of Maharashtra is 2,500, and we find the percentage, so we multiply by 100 and divide the total number of suicides in all states. So the number of suicides in all states is 4,850.
So 50% of the total number of suicides were committed in Maharashtra. How does it make you feel that so many farmers are committing suicide? They are taking their own lives.
I am very disappointed because I think that if any farmer are died, so why they are died? Because of their farm, their plant, and they do lots of hard work to make grown plant and good plant, and we eat those planted who grown by the farmer.
What is causing these suicides? Why are they happening in the first place, right? So everyone get together now. The next 5 minutes, let's get to the causes of farmer suicide. Come on, start.
Karan, could you share please, quickly?
Yes, they want to buy the take loan, that is not got any to give loan, then also will die that how can I pay? Or then the rate does not come, also they will die that then the rainfall does not come, or the growth will not do happen very perfectly. Also then the land is not fertile, then the growth of the plant that will not do happen perfectly, that's why they are suicide.
So I heard that, yeah, it's a very good response, that the land is not fertile, so that's why they need fertilizers, and for that they need money, they need loan. Great.
I think the farmer suicide don't become because when the soil becomes unfertile, so the farmer does not know how to make fertile.
The soil becomes infertile.
So what I am hearing a lot, that it has a lot to do with the infertility of the land. Okay, and also for that we need fertilizers. Somebody is saying that we need water supply, but this is all connected with the land. So now what we'll do, we'll try and write down whatever we know about land, whatever we know about soil.
So, anything that you know about soil, it can be its color, its uses. You have to tell.
Why
the best soil to grow plants.
Who knows different information of soil by living this?
Just one last answer we'll take now. Anyone who knows what soil erosion is?
When the rain is come, so the soil is replace it, and the wind is come, so the wind together the soil and through the other place the storm is come, so that is removed the soil. And
I disagree with Sachin because he does not explain more detail of soil erosion. I explain soil erosion in chronologically, step by step. That first step is deforestation. Deforestation means cut the trees, and second step is when plants is cut, then roots don't bind the roots, branches, and the third, when the roots are binded, wind and rainfall and floods are come, that's come soil erosion is called as soil erosion.
So we learned a lot about the causes of farmer suicide. Why are they committing these suicide? And what came from the class was that land is not fertile. And what makes the land fertile, you guys said, was the soil. Then we mapped everything we know about soil, from wind causing soil erosion to roots binding the soil to which is the most fertile layer of soil. We found all of that here, right? So we know about soil. We know about a big real life problem the country is facing today. Do you all want to solve it? Yes. Right? Why do you want to solve it? Can any one person say, why do you want to solve this problem?
If the people is dying, then the population of India is going down.
Okay, but why do you want to solve this problem? Hassan.
I think when I solve this challenge, so the farmers not suicide and soil is more different, more alive. When soil is not so plant and there is not grow and the oxygen not get to the people and the people die.
Okay, great. 10 minutes, okay? All our problem solving skills right inside the center of the globe. We will take this challenge up right now in the class and solve it. We have to find one good way of helping the farmers, okay? So that they don't commit suicide anymore, okay? Think of the problem and take inspiration from someone who's already solved such a challenge. This year in civics, we learnt about a lot of struggles for equality and what people did to solve them. Number 2, decide an objective. What do you want to do? For example, in this problem, I want to dash. Once you've thought of the inspiration and the objective, then you start planning your solution, okay? Today, we understood the plight of the farmer. We tried to find out what are the problems our farmers are facing in the country. And we also learnt about soil. Applying this knowledge of science and learning about the farmer's situation, what solution do you guys suggest? What solution can we implement?
We will give an extra supply of water through irrigation, and if that not its work not makes soil fertile, we go to the government and request please farmer land is relocated the land of farmer, then the old land we make something shopping mall.
Abhishek, quick addition, and then we go to summary.
In speech, we will give the ideas to make the land fertile by calling redworm, by giving rotten food or vegetable in the land which is not fertile and make it fertile, and we can mix in the land animal faces and the wastage, so the land will be fertile and the farmer will save by that.
Please post your solutions here so that all of us can read them. But right now what we're going to do is, I was actually generally thinking that we were journalists today in our previous lesson. So why not connect this also, right? The media has a lot of role to play in democracy. And this is a problem our democracy is currently facing. So as homework, you could either be the farmer, so you can be a farmer in Maharashtra and write a letter to the newspaper and think about, telling them about your problem. Why aren't they putting this news on the headlines? This is not there at all. So maybe talk about bringing this issue up, or you can be the opposite. You can be the newspaper and you can write an article in the newspaper. Okay? And what we're going to do is tomorrow, we're going to discuss our newspaper articles and see the role media can play in this particular problem.